What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading reach and check it out. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this recap here. Got a very important lesson here we're going to go over today, and just my thought process, the trade I took, why I did what I did, and why I had the thought process I had going into the day. And we're going to go, each and every step of the way. We're going to go through it all. I'm going to show you the live trade I took, and why I entered where I entered, why I exited where I exited, and why I added where I added, and whether or not that add was a potential mistake. Now, before we move further, a few days ago, I had let you guys know that Webull was going to discontinue the 2 free stocks, and they were going to go to just 1 free stock when you open an account and fund it with $100. Well, they did that, but now they reverted back, and now they're back at 2 free stocks when you download the app, fund your account with $100. So all you got to do is download the app, put $100 into the account, and right then and there, you're going to get 2 free stocks as soon as the funds settle, okay? So that's very simple. You might want to take advantage of that. Link in the description section below to that, as well as free trade. Now, free trade, you just download the app, open up an account. You don't have to put any money in it. So if you just want to get the free stock, just open up an account. You're going to get a free stock. I actually got BYND from them like 3 weeks ago or so. So that was a nice little present there, $100 stock basically at the time. So yeah, make sure you take advantage of that. Link in the description and free trade as well down there in the description section. Now today we opened up and the SPY was insane. Like, guys, I don't even know, like, how does this even justified? This is the 200-day moving average up here. I guess, when we had this big dip down here, all the way down here to the 50-day, people thought, all right, here we go. We're going to get, and I even told you guys, we're going to get that dip here potentially to this 250s, 260 zone. And, that would be, where the market might find support and trade sideways for a while. Nope. I guess Powell just said, you know what, let's fire up the printers, guys. Printers go brrr, and let's make some money. And here we go, It's like nothing, it's almost like nothing ever happened, honestly. Like at this point, we're going to go to 310? I mean, let's just reset the button and let's go up here to 350s, 335, whatever, 338. And that's it. Let's get everything back to normal. Like, that's ridiculous. And I'm not bitter and mad here because I'm short. I have no open position, short or long. Well, I do have my longs in my swing trade and my long-term investments, but like, I'm not bitter because I was short the market and, lost money. That hasn't happened. Why? Because, I didn't trust to get short in any of this mess because I figured shorts are going to get squeezed out. But I wasn't confident enough to get long either, for a short-term swing. Anyways, this morning, we opened up there. I expected it to be choppy, and that's a choppy chart. These are 3-minute candles. SPY opened up, dropped, popped up, dropped, popped back up, dropped, popped back up. Look at this. These are my trade idea charts, guys. If you're interested in trade ideas, these are the ones that go with my scanners. Link in the description with the coupon code for 15% off those. But just very choppy. Very choppy action. Look at this. This is nothing. There's nothing going on. There's nothing. There's no direction there that you can actually take a trade on. This morning I was looking at BABA is my big trade, my nice trade on Friday. I thought, let's see what's going to happen here. We had a big gap up from 199 all the way up here to the 205, 206s. This 207 area is these previous tops right in here, previous low in here. So I thought, we might get some resistance there and a little bit of a dump. But look at this. Ignore all of this. Don't even, as a matter of fact, don't even look at that. Let's move me up there. Look at this action right here. Like, what even is that? It's just up, down. Like, there's no direction. Zero direction here. Zero. Then finally, out of nowhere, we had a break underneath VWAP, but this isn't even that big of a move or anything. It's just like a $2 move. Not even $1 and change. From 206.39 to 204.54. And then right back up to VWAP. You can't make this stuff up, guys. No trade on here. I was watching and here I thought after this, failed attempt to break the high, break underneath VWAP and come down here, I thought maybe we were going to get the dump. I thought we would. Like this action, I thought we were going to get it here. Nope. Right next candle, boom, right up to the highs and then just sideways. It's insanity. Like I figured these big caps were going to be choppy. So I was like, okay, let's go look at some of the small caps. Ready for this? What is this? Like 85, 80, what is it, 88 cents? 88 cents. Massive move all the way up to $1.45. You know, we get halted right here at $1.28. Gap up, push, and then boop, back down. Then we finally climb back up here, boop, back down. Now, I mean, maybe eventually this breaks VWAP and goes. You know, there's room on the daily if we can get back up over 140. You know, there's room to, you know, this gap fill right here at 172. Maybe it goes to $2, but like I'd have trust issues with this. What other small cap was I looking at here? I know I had another one. MTC, look at this. Big gap up from $1.15 to a high day of $2.90. Big move. Then nothing. There was one small cap that made a move somewhat. I didn't even bring it up on my broker's charts, just on the trade ideas. We had this nice red to green move here on IZEA. Kind of like a little flag formation forming here above this high. You know, downtrend, resistance line here maybe, breaks up above it. But very choppy, like even this is choppy. Real nice volume here on this breaking new high, but failed. Like when you make a new high and you fail, like when you make a new high on big volume like this and you fail it, trust issues. There is trust issues at this point, right? A lot of indecision. So no trades for me on that. Then I'm really surprised at this, guys. Look at this Disney. I should have paid more attention to this. I really wanted to add some more underneath 100. But we kind of held this 100 strong, and Disney's up here at 120s now. I mean, when is it going to get to 150s? I have a few shares, but nothing. I mean, I took starters down here thinking I get shots at adding more and never got shots at adding more. So I still have these, but you know, we'll hold that. We'll hold that for a very long time. So then I had a Boeing. Oh, I looked at Tesla as well, but nothing there. See, very choppy action as well. Very, very choppy action. If Tesla ever gets over 850, you know, we have a shot at 900. Break over 900, this thing might go. But I had Boeing, and that's what I traded. And I got that trade live here for you. And you see here how we dropped, broke up over VWAP, increase in volume right here on the break of VWAP. That's where I got in. I got long in there with some calls, and I thought, you know, we'd have a shot at least testing the highs and maybe get a little pop and squeeze. It was actually having some relative strength compared to the market, because at the same time it was doing that, the market was still fading. So I thought we might have a shot, but it wasn't strong enough. You know, shorts we're still somewhat in control, and it's still choppy. Like, look at this. We break over VWAP, break back under VWAP, make a new low of the day, break up above VWAP. Like, it's just really, really choppy action, guys. Here, I'll grab the live trade and show it to you. I'm only down very small, very small. I'll show you my orders first. Here are my orders. Just, this is my ad. Like, I took a starter, then I added, thinking we were going to trigger, but that's it. I lost 33 bucks today. Like, big deal, you know? Okay, so I think it's this. Yes, right one right here. So I'm in right here. You see, we break VWAP, increase in volume. So I'm in these just 3 contracts, 145 strike, expiration 529. And I'm thinking, you know, maybe I'll get a shot at adding, because volume was increasing. We're breaking above VWAP. It's, you know, in key zones. If we break out, a shot at 150. That's a nice 5-point move, you know. This is a good shot at being a nice trade. So I thought I'd add. I figured I'd add, thinking that we're going to go, because I saw the volume increasing. So, see here. I'm in at 384 on these. They're going off at 390 already. So right there on that candle, I'm like, okay, I think this is going to get going and it's going to go fast. So let me add my 3 that I want. And right there, I add 3 more. And I also set up a limit order ready to rock and roll to get rid of 3 contracts at $4.20. So, that's a nice take profit there for the first take profit. And I figured we'd get those up here in front of the high of the day, because we're already going off at $3.95. So here we are. $3.89 is my new cost basis on all of them. We got a little push there to $4. I'm like, okay, we might get this. So I'm getting ready to put a limit order out, but right there, it kind of stalls out. It stalls out on me. Volume is weak. Look at the volume bar down here. Volume is weak. I'm like, I'm thinking, what's going to happen here? So I actually decide to cut it because I felt like it was going to fail. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to bail before this fails and get out of this in traditional bail before the fail fashion. And right there, I exit them. And very small loss. Like I said, $33, I'm out of there. And what happens next, remember, I'm in here. This next candle is where I exit. Boom. All the way back down here. So it was a bail before the fail. It's a shame because it would have been a real nice, trade had it triggered and worked out. But hey, we can't win them all. And that's it for me. Just real small loss, $33 lost on the day. Not going to complain about that. That's a good way to keep it small and tight. Tomorrow is a brand new day. We'll see what it has in store for us. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button for me, and I'll catch you on the next one.